full scholarship guaranteed, which means you have a higher acceptance rate when considering applying for scholarship programs. Bachelor's programs with multi-year scholarships. Before we take a look into the details of this program, I want you to take a look at the campus scenery. As you can see, it has a very beautiful campus. I'm sure if you become the international students of this university, you will have a happy study in China life. What about the introduction of this university? This university is best known for its strong focus on applied sciences and hands-on engineering programs. For example, if you want to apply for majors related to sciences, you should consider this university, offering practical education and industrial-linked training that prepares students for real-world careers. The next step, I want you to know the location of this university. This university is located in the Suzhou, Anhui. You should know that this is not a big city when comparing to Beijing, Shanghai. When you choose any cities to study in China, you should consider about living cost or the lifestyle of that city. If you always focus on Beijing, Shanghai, or other international cities or big cities, the cost of living will be high. But if you choose cities like Suzhou, you will have a relaxed lifestyle and affordable living cost. What about the available majors of this program? Available majors I have listed below. I suggest you take a screenshot in case you forget it. This is a long list of available majors, so I just mentioned some popular majors that many international students may apply for, such as computer science and technology, human resource management, new energy materials and devices, and business English, Chinese language and literature. If you want to immerse yourself into Chinese culture, then you need to choose Chinese language and literature. Moving to the next page, I want you to know that the teaching language will be in Chinese. HSK Level 4 required, plus interview. You need to pay attention that this university will require an interview. What about the fees of this program? I have listed tuition fee, accommodation fee, and textbook fee on this page. As you can see, accommodation fee includes two types. Type 1 is double room, Type 2 is single room. You can choose according to your preference. The last thing I want to talk about, and is the most important thing, is the scholarship. As an international student, you must want to know the scholarship coverage. Scholarship awards renewable for 4 years. First prize is 20,000 RMB per year. Second prize is 50,000 RMB per year. What about the third prize is 10,000 RMB per year. And the application deadline is June 10th, 2025. It's like there are only 1 or 2 months left. So I suggest you to prepare all your application documents as soon as possible to secure your application. If you don't know how to write your personal statement, or don't know how to prepare your application documents, or need any assistance while studying in China, you can contact us. As a professional study in China agency, we have helped thousands of students who have achieved their study in China dream. So that's all for today's daily scholarship sharing video. If you find this video helpful, just give us a like, subscribe for more daily scholarship sharing video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.